world is so small. Guess who I met?
Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. And if you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? And on today's video, I'm in the streets of Pipeline. I want to show you the life at night here. You know, it's a festive season. People are having a good time here. And guys, I decided to join them and have fun too. So guys, let's go. You know, I love Pipeline and I love the life here at night. So, welcome and make sure you subscribe for those who have not subscribed. This is only the street where people come out at night. You can see a lot of businesses are taking place at night. So let's go. The population here is high and you can see all these apartments. Sugarcane. People are doing business at night. Yeah. Yes, so guys, this is Claudia Walks. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm in the streets of Pipeline, so make sure you stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Here's how the place looks like. And I love the life at night here. This is how the place looks like. Remember, we are in the streets of Pipeline. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. We are on to 5,000 subscribers. Everything looks like around here in Pipeline. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, guys.
I am Gossi Africa, and whoever see me for the first time, I'm a Kenyan-based YouTuber and a traveler.
Naja.
Gossi Africa, how is you? How is you?
Mbona unaogopa? Naje?
Poa sana, kwaje?
Niko fiti.
Unaitwaje?
Naitwa Claudia Walks. Make sure you check me on YouTube. Yes.
Claudia Walks.
Walks.
Oh, ya kutembea?
Ya kutembea. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel, Gossi Africa. Share his videos. He's a nice person. We have met once. For those that have been following me, you know we met here in Pipeline, and again we have we have met again.
We have met again.
Yeah. So guys,
Were you filming?
yeah, I was filming.
You are here to film?
Yeah.
Oh.
I was trying
So
to
what-
explore these streets at night.
What new did you find in the streets?
Hey, people are busy here.
Yeah. The
People are,
population.
the population is too high. People have just woken up at night to do business.
It's a festive season, so everyone is excited.
So guys, we just
We-
go with the vibe here in the streets.
Yeah, we're ending the year. Yeah. So, and another observation we made, yeah?
Yeah. People are so busy minding their own business.
It's cold.
Yeah,
why
it's
you,
very
why are you
cold.
not on your set?
You know, I have to give you this thing. The energy.
So you have to give us without your sweater.
It's work, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we continue with the filming activity.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just go ahead and subscribe.
Can you join me?
Subscribe. Yeah, I'm going to join.
Let's go.
That's for sure.
We are in the streets of Pipeline. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I will be taking you through the streets of Pipeline at night, and I love these streets. So, guys, let's go.
Tumezunguka soko za kimataifa kwa kuletea manguo kutoka taifa la Dubai, Turkey, USA, Qatar na kadhalika.
So, guys, this is the only street where people wake up at night to do business. So guys, remember we are in the streets of Pipeline, and if you have not subscribed, road to 5,000 subscribers, give the video a like, make sure you subscribe, share it with your friends.
sitting here.
I'm on this, yeah.